Ethic Boss Production presents Beneficiary Full Jamaican Movie starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss.
Oh God, no. Oh, Jeremiah, don't do this to me, man. Just please don't do this to your wife. Oh God, man. What is it, Jeremiah?
I feel that I'm going to make it.
Oh, you mean you don't feel you're going to make it? You just feel a little bit sick, like normal. Oh Lord.
The wife is terrible.
Oh Lord, you have to learn to fight. I don't know you as a weak person. Fight the feelings. You cannot leave me now. We don't remember that we promised to go together. You forget.
My wife, I have something I want to tell you.
What you want to tell me?
I let the lawyer write a will for me, my wife.
Hey, what you like the lawyer write a will for my husband? Oh God.
I don't will anything for my son Errol.
Don't will a thing for Errol. Errol is so ungrateful.
I leave everything for you and Sean, my wife.
Oh Lord.
Imagine, my wife. Sean is overseas, right?
Oh Lord.
And my son Errol is here. And not even one time that boy.
Oh, not even one time.
Don't come here, come look for me.
Oh God, you don't see money wife down there.
For us.
Lord God. If wife down there and not working and not even a bottle of water I'm sent up here for you to drink. Every call me call him turn off him phone. You hear what I said? You shouldn't will nothing. Him deserve it.
I'm so much for him.
Yes, I tell you not to do it. I tell you was to share it between both of them and you pick him out and let him be the favorite for you. So that's the reason why I turn him back on you. You show all of them the same love.
My special care, my wife.
Your special care.
All of the business, my wife, I will it be you and Sean. Not even I cement my wife. I want to spend out of the money and give Errol.
And now spend a cent give him. Me help you and me call him to tell him that you're sick from when and the boy don't answer the phone. One of the time when the phone ring I hear the person hang up. I see the phone just hang up. You understand me? And you're here sick for so long and none of them come up here. The wife is so hungry. What's wrong with your stomach?
Hold me on, my wife.
I'm holding on to you, honey. I'm holding on to you. Oh God. Yes.
I see angels.
You see angel? And what them look like?
See the light, my wife.
Yes, because the light in the house stop it turn on. See it in the roof. That's the light you see. It's nothing more. Alright, stop the coughing now. Stop the coughing. Mighty God of Daniel. No sir, no sir. Jeremiah, wake up no man. Why you doing this to me? Lord God, you cannot die now. I want me to go tell the church brethren them when they don't see you come to church on Sunday. Lord of mercy, no sir. Jeremiah said to wake up. Lord of mercy. Pastor Rose said you want to see both of us, you know. Lord God, no sir. Oh Lord. Jeremiah, wake up. If you're dead, so Lord God, Jeremiah, you can't dead, you know. Because next thing the police them go arrest me and lock me up, say me kill you. Wake up now, man. Lord of mercy, for me have to call me boy. Lord Jesus. Why? Jeremiah, Jesus Christ, tell me say you're not gone. Tell me say you're just laying down. Oh God, don't do this to me, Ozzy. You're going to leave your nice clean wife? Who is going to take care of me? Huh? You don't see how me look, Lord God. Wake up, man, and come take care of your wife. Oh God. Why? Oh Lord of mercy. Let me call this wicked boy. Oh, is it my duty to call him even though Lord God, me with there how long I me tell the boys. If father not doing well, he must run come look and him tell me say he can't come in busy. Oh God.
Wonder who this? Oh, mama, she want, man. Yes, mama.
Hello, Harold. Why? Harold, your father just passed away. I'm just letting you know. Harold, why you crying, Harold? It don't make no sense you cry now. Harold, you should be the last person to think about crying for your father. Because look, from when I call you and they try to tell you that your father is sick and you don't come up here. And you have your wife down there, she not working. Huh? And you don't even send your wife up here with not even a drink of cold water for me and your father? And you crying? You crying about your father gone? Yes, your father gone. Oh God.
Jesus Christ, man. Mama, I walk and go home, you know, mama. Yes, mama, I walk and go home. Mama, I come up there right now, me and my wife. Here, mama?
I don't want you and your wife come up here. None of you come up here. I don't want to see you. What is sense you coming up here now that him dead? Is Nyamu coming to Nyam the carcass? Leave me and my husband. Leave my husband for me. You hear me? Don't come up here. I don't want to see your ugly face. I tell my husband from long time so he shouldn't spoil you. Come off me phone. I don't want to hear anything from you. Wicked and ungrateful picnic. I saw the time parents spoil picnic when they sick, then can't see them. They only come to nyam them out. Lord God, I want to use the restroom. It's coming like I'm having, oh Lord, oh God. Lord, wake up my husband, wake up. Wake up, Lord God. Oh Lord, have mercy, God. Help me, Jesus. Why?
Wow, the sun is so hot and evening now.
My wife.
Oh my God, Errol! What happened? What happened, Errol?
Mama just called me a while ago and tell me say Papa dead.
Lord God, your father died. So
Jesus Christ.
What happened to you? Look
Feel
how
like
you're
never
sweating.
faint.
Look like you run from far. So why are you stressing out yourself?
What?
Why are you stressing out yourself?
Papa dead and me never get the chance to go see him before he dead.
Look here, after you never did want to see your father, you get how much chance. Stop stress yourself. And that you shouldn't worry about. You don't know that? You shouldn't glad to see your father dead.
What you mean, my wife? You can't talk that, my wife. What you mean
Stop
by?
living like that and mind you make the neighbors here are passed by. You don't see how me and you there they struggle and your people them up there live lavish. You should have glad to see your father died you there they come blow like a hog. You should have run come and a smile by your face. Your father dead so that means him will everything for you, all of the business and everything. You see him give you that old piece of car. Eh? And look from when the car, you want to change your car and something you there, they come, they blow but Papa dead, Papa dead. You should have glad. Stop going like you're idiots. Your mother soon dead too. So that means you will get everything. What if you do and make we go up there and go see if we can find the will? Because that must your name on it. Because the other son over foreign, you know, so him no want nothing. And he's doing well over there.
So you think say Papa would have put my name on the will?
Stop that foolishness. Why your father wouldn't put your name on the will? You're idiots. Me say if you're idiots. Yes, your father is going to put your name on the will. It's you out here. Remember, say it's just 2 sons. The family is not big, you know.
Tell Mama say we are come up there now, you know.
Oh, you mean? Lord God, my husband to be. No worry yourself, go see me and you. Lord God, be glad, sir. You're not glad? Me can't deal with you sometime, you know.
I just feel bad for saying me not go look for him now, nothing.
Feel bad for what? You don't feel in a way. Because if you did feel away, you wouldn't let us go up there from long time. So we couldn't take 1 and 2 things.
Look all the work on it.
Which work? Stop telling lie, you get 2 days off. At least we couldn't go up there and you see all those nice things your mother using. At least I could use some of them. Eh? We're down here suffering and we need so many things.
Come on, make we go.
Alright, but tell you what. I want when you go up there, I want you to pretend very well, you know. You know that when you go up there, you can't be looking like this. You have to bawl like you're sorry to your father dead. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
And remember that your mother is going to notice you very well. So you have to be professional in this. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, my baby.
Sitting by the river, oh, a seeing the nature. Sister Petra alongside Ethic. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting.
Too much cussing from those noisy neighbors. I wanna take away myself and focus on nature. I like to sit and watch the ants them working together, gathering food, storing for the weather. Peacocks spreading their beautiful feather. I wanna see the birds and the bees, joy falling from the flowers on the trees, to get nectar, to make honey, make honey.
In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting.
I like to hear the raindrops falling on the rooftop. It put me mind at ease. Sometimes it make me lose track. In the countryside I like to listen for the rooster. So what's up? Juice with milk, it on me bootster. Pine and ginger, a juice in a the juicer. Put it on the fridge, make it chilly drink smooth, sir. Me want to live on a mountain top, so no more pagans can ride my back.
In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain.